Hey, Mike with Mike's Motorbike Garage. I got this little Kawasaki 110cc quad here. I didn't do any documentation since I got her, unfortunately. But what I did so far was, she was given to me. I cleaned the carburetor. I put a fuel cock on her, and there's no ignition. So basically, even without the ignition switch, she got sparked, and I fired her up and I took her for a spin. Couldn't go very fast because the tires are flat. She's been sitting for a while. They're all dry rotted. So, meantime, I bought an ignition switch and I bought some tires. So today we're going to see about putting some tires on there. And, well, let's get to it. So here she is, 1984 or 85 Kawasaki 110cc. Two-wheel drive. She's a little thing. The tires, rear tires especially, are dry rotted, don't hold air. So I took her for a spin around the block and she was really sluggish, but I imagine she could go with some good tires on her. So that's what we'll do today, is put some good tires on her. Probably going to end up selling her. I have minimal into her. 4 tires, a fuel petcock, ignition switch, and possibly a battery. I haven't decided whether I'm buying one yet or not. And then maybe a paint job, because the plastics were all red originally and they've been painted black. And the frame, well, the frame's in good shape, it just looks like crap. So today is tire changing day. Got my little heater going because it's quite damp and chilly out. Here's my bead breaker. I just stuck that little nub on there to hold the wheel from sliding. That was missing. And 4 brand new tires. Well, I hope they don't stay squished like that, because that'll be hard to set the beads. Anyway, let me get them unpacked and see what we can do. Let's try the first one. Gosh, that actually works pretty easy. I'm surprised. Yeah, I did it. So yeah, I said that was easy. Now this one's going to give me a hard time. Just keep going at the top. That wasn't so bad. Alright. That's the hardest part, breaking the beads. With a tool like this. My gosh, does it make a difference. And my tool is empty. That broke right there. Alright, so now I gotta take a break. So, you can see here, the strut tower on my bead breaker broke. The whole thing's bent, twisting. But anyway, you can see the cracks in this. It doesn't hold air very well. So now I'm going to have to straighten this out and weld it.
This is Pierre, actually. Hi, Pierre. This is Super G. Super G, how are you doing?
I'm
doing good. I want to work today. What do you like? Christmas on the block. Christmas on the block. We absolutely will get it. I wish you a wonderful day. Cheers, Pierre. And cheers to you. Where do you, by the way, hail from, Super G? I'm from North Philly. All right, my friend. Thank you for tuning us in, and have a wonderful afternoon. Jesus, we love you, Jesus. Take care. Have a good day. You too. Let me see if I can find the Jesus lady somewhere here. She might be around somewhere.
I'll just throw it up right there where she's at.
There she is.
Of course, it's going to grind a little bit, but you missed the fun part of welding it. So, max, 1.5 hour speed.
Yeah, I am the guy from Facebook that told you that the first time you told the story about Christmas on the block. I want to share it again. I don't quite remember the Facebook.
I'm going to hit the slippers too, right?
I played a lot of the clubs in town. We played him. He had a song called Fear of Heights. Yeah. Even though this is in this scene, they still were so into the spirit that they wanted to decorate their house. People would come from everywhere to see it. And Alan was aware of it, and we really got kids in to sing on it, and it's quite priceless. And the first time you told that story, the school children come in. I was, like I said, I don't think I'm 6'4". Is probably on but this poor lady, she had come up and asked me if I was okay. I should have been in Virginia now, but we'll move on.
All right. That's well pretty good. I don't think that's going to be
Oh, that's awesome. It's great to talk
but
to you.
let me get a little more down here
Great.
where
You live where?
looks like you
Virginia?
start the track.
Virginia there. All right, well, you're home for the holidays. Welcome home.
Rust off. Enough. Alright, put that down. Power off the rim. once the bead's broke. Put that valve stem away from me. Oh, wait a minute. That's the long side of the rim. See the long side? You're never going to get the bead off there. Gotta go on the short side. See how short that is? That's where we gotta go. So it's take this trusty old homemade tire iron that I got from a buddy way back in junior high. Spider in there? Damn. Yeah, a spider hanging on my face. Hope he's gone.
Great variety of fresh produce and all the basics you need
All right.
to bake those holiday goodies.
I got one.
Things like milk, eggs, flour, and butter.
One in there.
And of course, great gift ideas for the food lovers in your life. So while you're spending quality time with family and
Yeah,
friends,
it's not so bad.
shopping at Trader Joe's will make you feel good about all the money you're not spending.
Just don't put your face in the way and watch your knuckles.
Check us out at TraderJoe's.com. Happy holidays.
There's stuff in here. I got that a little bit.
Isn't it a wonderful time of the year to get something new without taking
God, what a difference that makes. Alright, here's one side of the tire. Watch. Look at that. And this side's kind of tricky. Put some stuff in there. Okay, now, need you. Let me try this big ugly one. Now this is real easy to get hurt for doing this. In fact, basically had so far. Oh, there you go. Alright, that's one. I'll get the other one yet, and I'll clean this rim up a little bit so I get a nice stick around here. Then we'll put them back on there, put the new ones on. Alright, I mounted one tire and ready for the other one. Like I said, Armor All works best for the tire bead to slide over the rim. So, short side up, that's where we're going. Push it on the rim as far as you can. A real short tire iron works good for this situation because I get in between the two beads. Little by little, put it on. Don't want to go too much at a time because you'll stretch the bead and you can break the cords in there. That wouldn't be good. And we're almost there. More flip on, get this. There, that one's on. Now, to do this, usually just use my knee to hold it down a little bit. A little bit on either side. Same thing, I'll spin around watch. A little bit there. A little bit there. This doesn't come so bad. I've had tougher ones where I'd have to put a pair of vice grips right here to hold the tire from sliding around while I get the other side on. This is going pretty good. Now, oh, see, I gotta get that to pop back out. These pair of pliers are full of knobby. I don't have a bead setter. A bead setter would be a air container, compressed air with a snorkel on it that blows down inside there as you put air into the tire through the valve. But what I do have is just a regular air chuck, not even a tire chuck, just a chuck on air on the hose. Get this all lubricated really good. Make it nice and slick. Because these tires are really tight on these beads. I say that because the last one I did, I had to put tremendous power in here to make it seat. Once it seats, let the air out. So here we go. And 2 pops, 1 for each bead. Put all the air out. You know, 2 tires only need like 3 or 5 pounds. So there you have it. Got the correction on the year. It's a 1987, I believe, Kawasaki Mojave 110cc. So I got the rear tires on there, and then I still got to do the front and the ignition switch and possibly a battery and then a paint job. Other than that, she'll be ready to go. So I'm out of time today. I got to go, prior engagement. So thanks for watching.